See this example. Prove that root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. It means irrational means we can't write in the form of p by q. So let us assume root 2 is rational. We have to prove root 2 is irrational. Okay. Here we take, let root 2 is rational. Rational means we can write in the form of p by q. So root 2 equal to a by b. Let a and here a and b are co-primes. Okay. So b comes to this side. B into root 2 equal to a. Squaring on both sides. Okay. B root 2 whole square, it is equal to a square. B square is b square into root 2 whole square. We get 2 equal to a square. Here b square is some constant. It is equal to k. Okay. 2k equal to a square. Okay. Here k equal to a square by 2. See this equation. Here 2 is prime number. We know the one theorem. If p is a prime number, p divides a square, then p divides a also. Okay. Here 2 is one of the factor of a square. So 2 is one of the factor of a also. Okay. A by 2 equal to k. Okay. This is our equation 1. Here a equal to 2k. Okay. Next, we get b square into 2 equal to a square. B square into 2 equal to a square. We know a value, a square equal to b square into 2 equal to a square. We know a value we get 2k whole square, which is equal to 4k square. 2 times b square equal to 2k square. Okay. Here k square equal to into 2 comes to this side by. So we know that b square by 2 is one of the factor of b square. So 2 is one of the factor of b also. Okay. Because here 2 is prime number. Okay. So b by 2 equal to k. Okay. Here 2 is one of the factor of a. Here 2 is one of the factor of b. Okay. So 2 is factor of a and b. But here a and b are co-primes. Here we get a and b have some factors. So prime number has no factors, only 2 factors, 1 and itself. But here a and b has one factor, other factor 2 also. Okay. So our assumption is wrong. Root 2 is rational. Our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is irrational. Okay.